everyone, and welcome to another episode of Google My Business Problems. My name is Brooke Borup, your host, and today we are going to be talking SEO. So today I have Allyzon from Cast Taste, and she's going to be talking about the difference between SEO, SEM, and PPC. Now, you may hear those acronyms all over the place, but do you really know what they mean? Today, you're going to learn. Allyzon?
So the main difference, well, I guess SEO, SEM, and PPC. I'm going to start with SEO and SEM because a lot of people confuse them largely because they live together. SEO, search engine optimization, is what you can do to your website from an on-site perspective to make it favorable in the search engine systems, whether that be Google, Yandex, Bing, or whatever else. SEM stands for search engine marketing, and search engine marketing is going to entail more of the things like link building and guest posting to build your authority through other websites that also have authority to say, hey, enter your brand here, knows about this. PPC is the paid market. So that's going to be the Google Ad Network, the Google Display Network, AdWords, all that fun stuff that you know here, there, and everywhere else. In those situations, you're entering an auction with an ad that you've made, and Google is giving you a shot at advertisement, and you'll show up in those first little results that say ad in really fine print.
All right, so we're talking SEO is under your control for your website, and then SEM is the partnership between you and other websites, you know, kind of going back and forth like what we do with Google My Business Problems. And then paid per click is where the PPC is where you start throwing money so that Google likes you better, essentially.
Essentially, yeah.
Okay, so
serve an ad for a certain set of keywords is, I guess, a more on par there.
Yes, still making Google make you like you better, because you know everybody likes somebody who gives them money, and you know Google is no exception to that. So in this particular episode, I hope you learned the difference between SEO, SEM, and PPC, and we're going to be doing more videos. So check out the other videos with Allyzon and talking about more SEO topics in depth. We'll see you on the next episode of Google My Business Problems.